what's making me start this video is I guess we're talking a little bit about rotor riot and sort of what happened. I don't want to deal with any of the drama and all that sort of stuff, but recently, you know, how Tommy left and Stingy left as well. What I want to talk about is if you haven't checked out their channels at the moment, they are absolutely, like, I mean, killing it. That's what's making me make this video. So I've been watching a whole bunch. Maybe we need to rewind here. So back in the day of like 2015, early 2016, when there wasn't any massive channels around, people were just flying for fun and just making cool content, and then this group Rotor Riot came out, and there was like such an Atlanta scene in FPV that was, it was really something special. I don't want to say the golden years, but there was kind of something magical or mystical about what was going on in the scene at that time. The new technology was emerging, everybody was exciting, and then a bunch of people started to make some crazy content. It was grungy, it was gritty, it wasn't super high production, but it was awesome. And I'm gonna say, if you haven't checked it out, or if you haven't checked out Steele's videos lately, Steele, Tommy, and Stingy are making amazing stuff. So Steele, he's continued to make amazing stuff, but he's got like a sick race car that he's bought. He's doing amazing edits, and I'm seeing Schizo popping in there as well. And then even like I see Stingy popping in there. That gives me good vibes of back in the day. Stingy makes some of the best vlogs I've seen. His editing is top notch, amazing. Huge shout out to you, mate. I love watching your videos, and I just can't wait. I feel like there's a bit of a surge of energy, and everybody go check out Stingy's channel. Absolutely. Look, these three channels are going to be linked down below. If you don't do anything regarding anything else for the rest of this video, go check out those three channels, Steele, Stingy, and the third one, Tommy. Like, he, oh my God, as some people might know him, he is making amazing stuff as well. He recently did one where he traveled halfway around the world. He was battling like Queen drones and attack drones going through. There's like fire going off. It was crazy. And let me tell you, it was one of the most tense videos I have seen for a long time. Usually I watch, let's say 80% or videos on ×2, not this one. Tommy's video, it's a classic. It just gave me chills and just brought back those old school vibes of what our community is like. Go watch Tommy's video as well. So Tommy, keep it up, man. You can tell I'm excited. Those three channels, go check them out. I'm sure you know most of them anyway, but if you haven't checked them out in a long time, go watch those videos, and just, I'm excited. Keep doing what you're doing, boys. I can't wait to see. Even though those boys are no longer in Rotor Riot, they are continuing to smash goals, and definitely, if you haven't, I've said it probably about 1,000,000 times. Go check out their stuff. Now, speaking of Rotor Riot, you know, and I know there's a whole bunch of Rotor Riot, whatever it's called, and the whole bunch of drama and all that sort of stuff. I don't want to get too much into that. All I want to do is a bit of a personal message to Drew and to some other people out there of like, try not to worry too much about the negativity, you know, and the person. It's okay for people to have different opinions and stuff, but I see a lot of personal attacks on Drew, and it's not, for me, that just doesn't make me feel good. That's not what our community's about. Drew's an amazing pilot. He's really passionate about what we do. So my advice to Drew is just kind of, I guess, try not to let those things get to you. And for the other people out there, you know, if you're thinking about making a comment and think, would you say that to their face in real life? And chances are probably not. So it's easy to type some things on the keyboard and forget about it. But those small comments can have actually a really big impact on how people feel. And I don't know, I guess just kind of want people to chill out a little bit on that zone. I tend to stay away from all that drama, all that sort of stuff. But I guess, yeah, I don't know, just chill out if you're feeling like you're going to type something and think, would you say it to that person's face? Because you don't know how much, you don't know what that person's going through, you don't know what, you know, and this goes, I guess, for any, I'm kind of rambling, but this goes for a lot of things, but yeah, you don't know what those people are going through in their life or what extra stresses they have and all that sort of stuff. So I know sometimes I've read things that might be directed towards me back in the day, and you know, if you're going through a rough time, sometimes those little comments can just be, they sometimes can hurt. So anyway, Drew, I hope you're doing okay. And then the final part, I want to give a huge shout out to TBS as well, because I'm going to put my Discord down below. We just broke 10,000 members, and it is so active. There's so many people typing, getting help, chatting in voice chat. I felt like a proud dad the other day. I looked over at voice chat, and what was happening, there was like this full conversation of like 10 people or something in voice chat just talking. It wasn't even, Trevor's in there pretty much every night. I'm almost in there every night, and yeah, Discord feels like a second home for me. As well as YouTube, I am on Discord all the time. Made some really good, I would say, good mates on there. So if you're new to FPV or new to the hobby, you want to check out a Discord server. All it is, it's a way where people can pretty much think of like an online chat room, but you can share in your videos and new pilot meetups, as well as jump in, talk about voice and all that sort of stuff as well. So Discord, definitely I'll put that link down below. Go check that out, and a big shout out to TBS because, well, we've got a prize to give away for you guys. So I'm going to be sending something out to somebody. Oh, it's not on YouTube, it's not on Patreon. I'm be sending out a prize to someone on Discord because, yeah, it's going to be, you know, people who are active, engaging members of our community over on Discord, and yeah, helping people out, all that sort of stuff. So anyway, other than that, subscribe for more FPV related content. If you do anything, go check out STEELE's videos, Tommy's videos, and Stingy's videos. They are just destroying it, making amazing content that just give me good old school FPV vibes. Really, really cool stuff. You know, other than that, all that other sort of stuff, subscribe for more FPV related content. If you're wondering what this was, well, you can go check out, it should pop up here or somewhere like that. That's from Wingman Jono. Gave me a little bit of a housewarming gift, so yeah, what do you guys think about that? I'm a huge fan of that movie anyway. Subscribe for more FPV related content, and as always, happy flying. And I think I got something special coming up with Bot Grinder and Bardwell, but I don't know how, maybe I've already said too much.